mountain. We're in Mount Charleston and we're gonna have picnic today. Alright, and it's gonna be fun. And also we're gonna do mukbang. We're gonna do barbecue. I'm so excited. So ayun guys, yung mga baon namin. We're going to do barbecue. Yung aso namin cooking. May dala kaming barbecue grill, yung portable. Since na may grill na dito, so ito na lang gagamitin namin. Yan, yung mga dala namin. May vegetables. Ito yung steak. Ayan. Tapos may sausage pa. Ito kami sa gitna ng kagubatan. So guys, ito yung ginoo kanina sa bahay. Pork, barbecue, chicken, and shrimp. Ayan. Yung steak. Dito. Ayan. Ito yung steak. Yan, looks good. Hi. Hi. Sizzling. I think it's done. Luto na to. Barbecue asparagus. I can't wait to eat. Yeah. Looks delicious. Bigyan na namin lahat. Pati gulay. So this is jalapeno. It's very spicy. So you think it's done?
Now the sausage is pretty much done. that small
jalapenos.
steak is done.
What is one?
No, that's not done yet.
Yeah, this one done too.
Yeah, that's done.
Jalapenos done too. And yung lemon. This one's done. This one's done too, I guess. Asparagus.
Just have to turn them a little bit one more time.
No.
Almost lost it.
Aha!
Eh,
So I just have to. We can put more, right?
Putting more shrimp on the barbie.
Yeah. Last one.
Hi, Coco. Hi, boy. Are you comfy? Huh?
The small steak is done.
Yeah.
Oops, 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 oops.
Almost lost a lemon.
Lemon.
Mm. Sure.
Yeah? Sure.
No,
No, you want.
I don't know.
Yeah, it's done. I'm done too. I'm doing, man. Evenly.
Okay, but then there's the
So this is the trash.
there's the beast.
Very good, very good. Guys, kami kakain na. Ito, may dala akong gulay. Yung sausawan, nilagyan ko na ng suka. Dala din kami na rice. So, we're going to eat now. May ng rice, saka itong gulay
I have to have rice.
na may cucumber, and then ito na yung barbecue. Yan. That's it.
Yeah, that's enough.
More?
No, that's enough for me. For now. Did we bring a knife?
Mukbang na to, guys. Ayan yung cucumber. Thank you. Then yung lemon. Ayan. And also nakalimutan ko tong cocktail sauce. Masarap to with the shrimp.
I'm gonna take this.
That's okay.
That's
Color?
Coco?
Yeah.
Oh, that's Coco's. Oh, he does.
Oh my God. So delicious.
That's
Delicioso. Yan guys. Ito yung cocktail sauce. pork? Okay.
Yeah, you can vlog now.
I did.
Oh, who wants the pepper?
Mm. Is it gonna be so spicy?
Mm.
Oh, I need bread though.
Pork barbecue. Sarap guys.
Why is the inside of this wet?
Yung sasawan. Tomato.
Where's Coco?
Asparagus.
Coco! He's right here a minute ago. Coco! You want some?
There. That's for Coco.
The chopping board. Over there.
Coco is so picky. Hindi siya kumain ng steak. Masarap. Favorito to sa mga Spanish. Yan, grilled jalapeno. Oh my god. Really spicy. Sarap
What a
talaga ng
Coco.
pork barbecue. So, kahit medyo mainit guys, itong table namin, nainitan na siya. Pero malamig pa rin, ayan, naka-sweater. Kasi woods, malamig kahit mainit. So, maganda talaga dito mag-picnic. It's really relaxing. Ayan, tapos may appetite ka kumain. Masarap daw, sabi ng anak ko. Ito yung ginawa ko na umaga.
Super yummy.
First time namin guys pumunta dito like this time. Okay, magsa-summer na. So hindi kami usually pumupunta dito pag summer. Only winter. Kasi magsa-snow dito. Itong mountain, mababa to ng snow. And then, it's only like I think 20 minutes from we leave to here. So, malapit lang. Aarawan na kami dito. Kasi what time is it na?
3.
It's already 3 o'clock. At ito yung namin, yung breakfast, lunch, at dinner. You want to try this? It's so
Wag mo
delicious.
na sa makan. Meat pa lang. Protein.
Let's try this. Bakit niyo ba yun?
Is it spicy?
Super?
Super?
Really spicy.
Yeah, it's jalapeno, babe.
It's jalapeno. What do you expect? When this,
Okay, well,
when we were in the Philippines, nag-picnic din kami sa mountain din, yung overlooking. May nabili kaming lupa doon. Kasama ko yung family ko doon, nag-picnic kami. Ang ganda. Talaga, very fresh yung hangin. Malapit lang din sa proper yung bundok na yon. kung hindi pa ninyo napanood yun, panoorin nyo guys. That one is different from here. Mas gusto ko yun doon kasi nga kasama ko family ko at kahit wala kaming gaanong baon, masaya kami. Nagbaon kami doon ng bagoong. Dito. Ay, may bagoong ako dito, uyap. Ayan. Nagbaon din ako ng bagoong, uyap. Ayan, yung hipon. Pero luto na siya. Mamaya, ipapartner namin to sa mangga. So, mas masaya talaga doon. Kasi marami, di ba? Ngayon, 3 lang tayo. Total different. Any good?
Very good. Very good, baby.
Kung gusto ng asawa ko yung steak tsaka yung sausage. Kasi gusto niya, kumakain din naman siya ng hipon. So I'm telling them that you also eat shrimp.
That's all right.
Yeah. Good, very good. Yeah. Ayan.
Ano naman?
Every winter pupunta kami dito. Next time, next winter, I'm gonna give you a tour in here. When it's snowing. Kasi ang ganda talaga. Or probably sometime this year before the winter. Kasi may hiking trail sila dito. So, baka pupunta kami dito mag-hike.
Hold on, there's a wind blowing.
Yeah. Oh my God. Did you hear that, guys? It's the wind blowing. Ayaw na niya kumain kasi kumain siya nitong gulay na may sausawan. Nakain niya yung sili. Inubo. So he's done. So I think I'm gonna be the winner again. I'm gonna be the winner again like in Korean barbecue. Guys, ito yung bell pepper nila pero sweet. Kulay orange. May red, may green din dito. Pero matamis siya. Ito.
Hand dryer.
Marami pang natira, guys. Hindi ko na kaya. Ito nila yung natira. Hindi ko nakain yung rice ko. Lahat meat, tsaka vegetables.
It came out already.
Pati dito may langaw.
Yeah, well, there's some. Not
In
like
the
in the
Philippines,
Philippines,
yeah.
but yeah, there's some.
Yeah, may mga langaw doon dito. Hindi lang Pilipinas ang may langaw. Ate rin dito. Kahit bundok na to. I think I'm done too. Sobra ko.
The winner is done.
Yes.
Oh,
I'm the winner still. The champion.
still the champion. I don't eat much these days, so
Dami
I'm
pang natira.
always a loser.
Yeah. Mangga. Panghimagas. Delicious. You like it?
That's good. No,
With this.
no.
It's gonna
No,
make
thank you.
your stomach ache.
No, thank you.
Smells good.
I'll take your word for it, baby.
Ayaw niya ng bagoong. Lami ang ano? Uyap.
Lami siya.
Yung uyap guys, ito yung bagoong, ang sarap.
Dad, we're gonna watch a movie at 5:15.
I just found out, yeah.
Yeah.
What? Another horror?
No, it's a Disney movie.
Then me, I'm the winner again.
Again. Oh, I think we're done.
I'm done. Okay guys, busog na kami. Loko-loko. Yeah,
Hey, Tikiminda time.
yeah. Chikiman mukbang time too.
Magkamangay.
I'm the winner still.
She's, yeah.
I have the crown.
She's the winner. Yeah.
I have the crown,
Always.
so no one can take it away from me.
That's right.
Please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more upcoming videos. Thank you.
Bye.